Hey Simon, how are you doing?
I'm great. I am getting hungry though.
Yeah, me too. What time is your lunch break?
In about 10 minutes.
Oh, great. I have my break in about 10 minutes too. Should we go get something to eat?
Yeah, that sounds great. Do you know of any good restaurants around here?
Yes, there's a great Chinese restaurant around the corner.
Oh, I love Chinese food. Let's go.
Okay, let's do it. I can't wait to eat some spring rolls.
Spring rolls are good, but I love dumplings.
Me too. Let's get an order of both.
That's a great idea.
Hello, Mario's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, but I have a quick question.
Yes, what would you like to know?
Do you have a kids area?
Yes, we do. We have a ball pit and lots of toys.
Oh, that's great. Do you have a table for 2 adults and child for tonight?
I'm so sorry, but we're all booked up for tonight.
That's a shame. What about tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
We do have a table open for that time tomorrow.
Great. We're the Miller family.
Wonderful. So a table for 3 at 7 p.m. under the name Miller?
Exactly. Thanks so much.
Hi, welcome to the Sage Garden. How many in your party?
Thanks. I think we'll be 4 people.
Well, since there are only 2 of you, I can seat you at a table for 2 now, or we can wait for the rest of your party to get here.
We can't go ahead and sit at a bigger table?
No, I'm sorry.
Could we wait at the bar?
Sure,